you'll be learning how to use evidence in an informative paragraph. Please grab a clean copy of Handout 11B. A clean copy means that it doesn't have any markings on it yet. And please be sure to grab your pencil as well. Read this paragraph to yourself on your copy, and then we'll read it together. As you read, keep this question in mind. What is this paragraph about? I'm going to stay off the slide so you can pause to read the paragraph to yourself. Hit play when you're ready to continue. The tree changes from late fall to winter. At first, it's fall and most of the leaves are brown and orange and are on the ground. Then the apples grow musky and ripe, and the leaves on the ground get dry and crackly. Finally, the branches are completely bare and covered with a shimmer of snow. This paragraph is about how the tree and the little yellow leaf changes from fall to winter. And the first sentence states the main topic of the paragraph. Underline the topic statement with your pencil. The remaining sentences are evidence that support the topic statement. When you write about change in a story, you must include evidence from the beginning, middle, and end of the story. As writers, we can use linking words that signal to the reader that we are including evidence from the beginning, middle, and end of the story. When we read the linking phrase, at first, we know we are reading about the beginning of the book. Circle at first on your handout. When we read the linking word then, we know we are reading about a change that probably happened in the middle of the book. Circle then on your handout. Which word would we circle next? Point to that word on your handout. Finally. When we read the word finally, we know we are reading about the end of the book. All of the evidence is linked together with linking words that tell the reader when these events happened in the story. The evidence supports the topic statement. When we read first, we are reading or writing about the beginning of the story. When we read then, we are reading or writing about the middle of the story. When we read finally, we are reading or writing about the end of the story. Today you'll write a paragraph about how little yellow leaf changes. As you write your paragraph, you'll be sure to include evidence from the beginning, the middle, and that's right, the end of the story as well. Remember, evidence develops the topic and it comes from the text. Please grab Assessment 13, the focusing question task, and your pencil. Let's review the directions for the focusing question task. Write an informative paragraph with change to answer the question, how does little yellow leaf change? It's important to include the following in your answer: a topic statement, at least 3 sentences with evidence, and the words first, then, and finally. First, select the evidence you will use in your paragraph, then write your informational paragraph and be sure to include change. Let's practice out loud first. First, I need to select the evidence that I will use in my paragraph. Now I need to use the words first, then, and finally to link all of my evidence together to support the topic statement. My paragraph might sound like this. Little yellow leaf changed. First, yellow leaf was alone. Then it saw another leaf. Finally, they went away and away and away. Now it's your turn. You can do it. There's the check mark. Here's an opportunity to show your classroom teacher just how much you've grown as a writer. As you work on the focusing question task, be sure to include 3 pieces of evidence, one from the beginning, one from the middle, and one from the end. That's right. Also, be sure to use these linking words to link your evidence together. I'm going to bring us back to the evidence chart, and I'd like you to pause there. So as you work on your focusing question task, you can refer back to our evidence chart for support. Pause here to do your very best writing on this focusing question task, and just hit play when your writing is complete and you're ready to wrap up our lesson. Thank you for doing your very best work today. I will see you very soon, my friends.